Hello friends, how are you? Today we discuss about environmental pollution. So friends, let's start. Good environment is very necessary to lead a healthy life. Our environment gives us all the requirements of life like air, water and food. Due to global industrialization and modernization, our environment is being polluted day by day. There are many reasons for environmental pollution. Mills and factories release harmful and toxic gases which are mixing with air, thus causing air pollution. People dump all the waste materials in the river and sea. This way, the water is also getting poisoned every day. Deforestation is also a great reason. Environmental pollution has many bad impacts on human and animal life. With the change of environment, our lifestyle has changed. The animals are on the verge of extinct day by day. Marine species like fish, whales, and dolphins are the worst sufferers. Their valuable lives are also lost. The panda and the white tiger albatross are not to be seen now. These are few. If the environmental pollution continues, we are going to lose all our animals in a few decades. Only we humans can save our earth by planting trees. Mills and factories should not directly throw waste and chemicals into the water. If we plant more trees, our earth will be green again. We should not cut trees without reason. We must plant two trees if we cut one. So friends, please subscribe our channel and like and comment and share. Thank you so much.